Okay, horn. Brand new electric wipers using the old switch. Check that out. 2-speed nonetheless. Great upgrade. Left air vent, fine working. RPM gauge, fuel gauge, speedometer, odometer. Clock's not working. Temperature gauge, we just ordered a sender, so no worries. I mean, it's like in the 80s and it's been running for an hour. It's nice and cool. So we'll get that replaced for you. Radio. There it goes.
By reuniting on back to the people.
There it is. The heater. And got a fan. Hey, where's the fan? Oh yeah, fan's here. There goes the blower. Can you hear it? It's just such a nice, functional car. Check out the dash lights. All illuminating nicely. There you go. All right, let's head underneath the Thunderbird. This has got so many great things going for it. We have a new tank. The springs look like they've been totally rebuilt. It's got a new set of KYB shocks. It's got some, you can see that there. Just everything looks so nicely cared for under here. Rear sway bar installed, that's new. So it handles so nicely. Beautiful exhaust, front to back. And up here we've got this great power steering unit that was installed, and it was really nicely installed. New tie rod ends, front disc brakes. The radiator looks relatively fresh. Everything looks great under here. It has really nice floors. It had a repair here that was done from the inside, and that's all completely sealed off from the exterior, so it was that was all taken care of. It's just so nice under here. And no wonder it drives so great. It runs so quietly. Very nice. All right, I'd like to go around the lower part of the car with just a really light little magnet. It's got a little plastic film on the back, so don't worry. And let's see how it sticks. So far, it's got the quintessential California magnet grabbing, which we love. Moving on. The rear quarter. Grabbing it. And to the other side. No hesitation yet. Left rear quarter. Maybe a little in there, but it's grabbing it. There you go. Overall, very nice.